Hey guys, this is Josh, and this is another episode of Scratch. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly make your sprite follow the mouse pointer. So, what's going to happen is you're going to be building a simple string of code. And first, of course, you want the when green flag is click block, and then you need the forever loop block, and then lastly, um, go to mouse pointer, and then that's it. You just simply click on the green flag, and then there it happens. So that's how easy it is to make your sprite follow your mouse pointer. Now, I want to thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe because we have a lot of more videos that are coming out and you don't want to miss it. Now, I hope this also helps you improve your Scratch skills and your Scratch project so that in the future you could make better ones. This is your homeboy Josh, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.